guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to solve day 4 problem of this month on Leetcode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. So today I'm going to solve problem number 1508, arrange sum of sorted sub-array sums. Okay, so in this problem you are given the array nums consisting of n positive integers. You computed the sum of all non-empty continuous sub-arrays from the array and then sorted them in non-decreasing order, creating a new array of n into n plus 1 divided by two numbers. Okay, and in the end we have to return the sum of the numbers from index left to index right and indexing starting from 1 inclusive in the new array. Okay, since the answer can be a huge number, we have to return it modulo 10 raised to power 9 plus 7. Okay, so now let's understand this with an example here. So this is nums array given to us and the size of nums array is 4. Okay, so we have to first create a new array, right? So the size of new array is going to be n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So okay, so here let's apply that formula. 4 into 4 plus 1 divided by 2. Right, so this is nothing but 4 into 5 divided by 2. Okay, and this is nothing but 10, right? So we have to create a new array of size 10. Okay, so now let's see how we are creating that. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 is the array, right? 1 2 3 4. Okay, so I have to create a new array of size 10. Okay, so let's do that. So first my I is at this position and my J is at this position. Okay, so just consider this one. Okay, I and J both are okay. So right now my I is fixed and J is at this one. Okay, so single element is there, only one is there. Okay, so now I'm writing 1 here. Okay, now my J is going to move further. Okay, so now my J reaches at this position. Okay, so I have to calculate the sum from 1 to 2. Okay, this one. So what is the sum? 1 plus 2 3. Okay, this is done. Now let's move my J further. Okay, so now my J reaches at this position. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 is nothing but 6, right? This is done. Then move my J further. Okay, so now my J reaches at this position. Okay, so 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10. Okay, this is done. Now once this is done, now my I is going to move one step forward. So now my I reaches at this position. Okay, so now here I and J is going to start from this position only where my I is. Okay, so here it is just 2, so I am going to write 2 here. Okay, then my J is going to move further. Okay, so now my J is here, so 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay, then my J is going to move further. Now 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 4 is 9, so here I am writing 9. Okay, then J is going out of bounds, so what I have to do? So I have to just move my I further. So now my I reaches at this position. Okay, this is done, and my J is going to start from I only. Okay, so here I'm just going to write 3. Then my J is going to move further. Okay, so now my J reaches at this position. So 3 plus 4 is 7, so I'm writing 7 here. Then my J is out of bound, so what I have to do? I have to just move my I further. Okay, so now my I reaches at this position. Okay, and J is definitely going to start from here only. Okay, so now I, J both are here. So here I am going to write first 4. Okay, and after that J is going to reach out of bound, right? And then I is going to move further. I is also going to reach out of bound. So that's it. So this is my new array. Okay, so if I just give the indexing, so here 0 next 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, so simply the size of this new array is 10. Okay, and we have calculated this size here. Okay, so this is done. Then once this is done, okay, so 1 3 6 10, so you can just compare 1 3 6 10, then 2 5 9, so 2 5 9, then 3 7 4, so here 3 7 4. Okay, once this is done, then we have to sort it in increasing order. Okay, so this our next step is to sort them in increasing order. So after sorting, it is going to look like 1, then 2 is there, yes 2 is there, then we have to check 3 is there, yes 3 is there, total 2 times. Okay, so let's write 3 2 times. Then 4 is there, yes 4 is there 1 time, and then 5 is there, yes 5 is there, so write 5 1 time. Then 6 is there, yes 6 is there, so write 6 1 time. Then 7 is there, yes 7 is there, so write 7 here. Then 8 is there, no. 9 is there, Yes, 9 is there one time. Then 10 is there. Yes, 10 is there, so write 10. Then 11 is there, no. Okay, so see, 0th index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index, 5 index, 6 index, 7 index, 8 index, 9 index. Okay, so now we have sorted our array. Then we have given left and right. Okay, so left is 1 and right is equal to 5. Okay, so here it is given that indexing is start from 1. Okay, so simply let me write it as index number 1, not 0. Okay, because indexing is start from 1. This is given in my problem statement. Okay, so let me write the indexing here. Okay, this is done. Then we have to return the sum of all the elements between left to right. Okay, 1 to 5. Okay, and here this is given that left to right index indexed from 1 and inclusive in the new array. Okay, so both are inclusive. Okay, so left is 1 and right is 5 given to us. Okay, so left is 1 and right is 5. Okay, so now let's do the sum of this part, index number 1 to index number 5. Okay, this is nothing but my left, this is nothing but my right. Okay, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 4 is 13. Okay, so my output is going to be 13, right? So I hope that you guys are clear with the explanation. Okay, so whatever I have explained here, I am just going to write the code same. Okay, first I am doing this, then I am just going to create a new array, then I am going to sort my new array, then after that I am just going to find the sum from left right. Okay, I am going to do the same things, okay, in my code. Okay, so now let's move to the coding part. Okay, so first thing that we need to do here is to create since answer can be very large. Okay, this is given in problem statement. Okay, so we have to just create a one variable modulo. Okay, and in that give just this size. Okay, so here I'm just going to write private final int mode is equal to 10 to the power 9 plus 7, right? So here write like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, this is done. Then inside this we have to just create one result, right? Result array. Okay, in this new result array I have to store all these values now. So here int result array. Okay, and what is the size of this result array? So it's easy, right? New int, and inside this just write n into n minus 1 divided by 2. Sorry, it should be n into n plus 1 na. Okay, so this is what we need to write. So size is given na of new array here, n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, this is done. Then after that let's create one variable int k and initialize it to 0, and then after that I am just going to iterate over all the elements in my nums array. Okay, all these elements in my nums array. So for that, for int I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, and inside this let's initialize a variable int sum is equal to 0. Okay, int sum is equal to 0. Then after that, okay, so here we have initialized some variable to 0. Then here just do the same thing now. Here I am running two loops now, I and j. See here I have run two variables, indexing start from I and j initially. Okay, then I am moving j forward. Then once j is done, then I am going to move further I, and j is going to start from I. Okay, so this is what we need to do. So here I am just going to run one more loop for int j is equal to I, j is less than n, j plus plus, and then I am just going to update my sum as sum is equal to here sum plus nums of j. Okay, and inside after that I'm just going to do the modulus. Okay, because values can be very large. Okay, that's first. So here after that, in the result of k, right now k value is 0. Okay, so in this I'm just going to pass the value of sum. Okay, then after that I'm just going to increment my k value. Okay, so that's it. So once this is done, then after that, so now we have created a new result array. Okay, then after we have to sort it in increasing order. So simply I'm just going to call this arrays dot sort function, and in this I'm just going to pass my result array. Okay, that's it. And once I have sorted, then I have to just find the sum from left to right. So since left indexing is starting from 1, so here but I have to do first let's create one variable int final sum. Okay, final sum to 0, and here for int I is equal to indexing starting from 1. So here I'm just going to point I is equal to left minus 1. Okay, then I is less than right. Okay, so it is definitely going to pick all these values from this to this. Okay, so after that just increment the I. Okay, and inside this just update my final sum as final sum is equal to final sum plus result of I value, and then just do the modulus with mod, right? That's it. Okay, and in the end just return the final sum. Okay, in the end just return final sum. That's it. Okay, so now let me run the code and see if there are any code issues, then we will try to fix them. So all the test cases has been accepted. Now let's submit it. So see, our solution is accepted, right? Okay, so I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing. Meet you guys in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.